I am on page 52, and before you do this video, watch this video, I do want you to try this review without me. See how you can do with those problems on pages 52 and 53, and then come back and watch this video. Look back at your notes that you've made as you need to complete this review. It is not a test, it's just a practice exercise. The first 6 questions are vocabulary, so let me make a space for these, and we will try to squeeze everything in here on this page. I'm not sure that'll work, but we'll see. A or an blank is a comparison of 2 numbers. So that's going to be a ratio. 2 figures or objects that have the same shape but may have different sizes are similar. A or an compares a quantity to a single unit. And this is a unit rate. Two equivalent ratios form A or an. It is a proportion. Two ratios that are blank have the same value. That will be equivalent. A or an is a number that multiplies a quantity, and that is a scale factor. Just a vocabulary review. Under skill review, question 1. A 3-pound bag of rice costs $3.87. What is the unit cost per pound? So we are comparing dollars to pounds. And 3 pounds cost $3.87. So we want to know what 1 pound costs. Now this is a unit rate, so you can just divide it, or you can do it as a proportion. It doesn't matter. But the unit rate is $1.29 per pound. So for 1, I'm going to choose answer B. Number 2. A company is packaging bags of sugar for sale. The unit rate for a pound of sugar is 74 cents a pound. What will be the cost of a 5-pound bag of sugar? So again, we're comparing dollars to pounds. And we have 74 cents for 1 pound. But we want to buy 5 pounds. So this time we're going to multiply the peanut. 74 times 5 is 3.7. Divide that by 1, and that is $3.70. And that will be answer C. Number 3. Aaliyah has $20. She can buy 3 books for $5 at a bookstore. How many books can she buy with her $20? So in this one, we're comparing dollars to books. She gets 3 books for $5, and she has $20 to spend. So we have 20 times 3, that's 60, divided by 5 is 12. So 12 books for $20. And that one is not multiple choice. We just have to write in the answer. Let me highlight my answers. I will go back and check these, but okay, number 4. A model airplane has a scale factor of 1 to 48. The wingspan of the model is 8 inches. What is the wingspan of the actual airplane? So I'm going to sketch an airplane, and then I'm going to take that baby airplane and resize it to make the mama airplane. And this will help me work this problem. Now the scale, remember, is 1 to 48. And the scale is going to be the model compared to the actual. So on the model, you have 1 foot. On the actual, you have 48 feet. And then they tell me that the wingspan, that's this distance, on the model is 8 inches. Well, that's great, but we need to know that in terms of a foot. So I'm going to use inches to feet. And we're going to say there are 12 inches in a single foot. And we're working with 8 inches. So 8 times 1 is 8, divided by 12 is going to be 2/3. If you do it as a fraction. So this is 2/3 of a foot. And now we're ready to set up our problem. So we have the scale of 1 to 48. And on the model, we have a 2/3 foot wingspan. So we're going to multiply 48 times 2/3 using the calculator. And that is 32. Divided by 1 is 32. And that's feet, remember. So what that's telling me is that on this big plane, the wingspan from here to here is 32 feet. And that is option B, as in boy. That is not an easy problem. You have to remember to convert those units.